Oh, hello, my dear followers, and I'm Khan, as you know, and I'm starting a new YouTube video series, which is Save It, Cook It. So quickly, let me just explain what the series is. So in Instagram, I've noticed that I actually noticed this like 2 days ago. I just save a lot of videos, like food related, cooking related videos, like recipe in 5 minutes, the best student meal that you can ever prepare, or 1 week meal prep, or anything like that. But I never cook them. And this is the sad truth. I asked a couple of my friends, they said they never do this, but I do it. And this new series involves cooking all of them. I'm going to start with BigMac, which is mincemeat on mini tortilla wraps, and we're just gonna fry it meat face downwards onto the pan, and just gonna put some lettuce, some onions, and like a Big Mac sauce on top of it. So quickly, let me just introduce the ingredients that we're going to use, and then we're gonna go and cook it. And for reference, I'm just gonna put the Instagram reel video that I watched and saved somewhere around here. You can watch it. I'm gonna grab the ingredients from the fridge. So I'll see you back, but you'll be there. I'm back. Have you watched the video? Good. So the ingredients that we're going to use is, of course, mini tortilla wraps, plain tortilla wraps. Yogurt. This is for the Big Mac sauce that I'm going to prepare. I'm not sure if there was any yogurt in the recipe, but I think it'll be a good adjustment to it. We have some mustard. This is like grained mustard, which I love. We need some butter to fry the mincemeat properly, which brings us to the mincemeat. So yeah, this is a leftover from a meal that I cooked like 3 days ago, but yeah, it'll work, it's still good. And some pickles that we're going to use, and on top of the fake mac, we're gonna chop some tomatoes and maybe some onions. This is, oh, there are some baby ones. I think this is not mine, but I think I can use this one. So first, yeah, we're going to just cut a piece of minced beef, which I'm just getting half of it. And we're just gonna press it and push it through the outside layer. And yeah, it should be like this, like a good circle. And I'm just gonna do the second one now. We push it, push it, yep. Push and press, that's what the guy was doing in the video. So yeah, this is it. So I added the butter in it as well, and I think this is quite warm. So I'm just gonna put the tortilla minced beef, literally, I'm gonna slap it. 1, 2, 3, yes. And I'm just gonna let it stay there for like 3 to 4 minutes, depending on how it will be. I'm gonna check it regularly, of course, but it should be good in like 3 to 4 minutes. Meanwhile, I want to prepare my sauce. So for the sauce, I'm gonna use some yogurt, mustard. Oh, so you can have a sneak peek to our fridge. I'm just gonna use some mayo as well. So yeah, this is going to be the sauce. Guys, I forgot it, and no one told me. The lettuce, the iceberg. It's important. It's core. So I'm gonna chop this off, and I'll see you guys when the sauce is ready. So for the sauce, I put 1 tablespoon of yogurt, 2 tablespoons of mayo, and 1 tablespoon of the mustard. The mustard I have is a bit, it's a bit strong, so I'm trying not to use of it. But I don't have any ketchup, unfortunately. It's not like, it's quite dense, it's not thick, but I think this will work. And since I'm eating it, who cares, you know? So, let's see how this is cooking right now. So the bottom part actually looks good. Let me just try to capture that. But this part it's not sticking. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Like, what if okay, this kind of scares me because this part is quite raw and it didn't stick as it stuck in the video. So I'm just gonna let it stay, and I'm gonna decrease the heat a little bit so it'll be a bit more oriented when it's cooking. So as I said, the sauce is ready. Now I'm gonna chop the lettuce, the iceberg, and I'm gonna chop on some tomatoes and some onions. My cutting board is getting washed right now, so I don't have anything to cut them into. Oh, this is good. This is not good. I don't like this. I'm not ready. I'm not ready for this. Okay, I think I can open this. So yeah, 1 piece per each. Let's say let's get 2 pieces from the lettuce. So guys, this will not be like a TikTok or an Instagram Reels video that I'll be posting. So like, I'm not trying to make it short. I kind of do want it to be long so I can show you more and talk a bit more as well. So yeah, I'm just chopping 1 tomato. I don't think I need 2. I changed my mind. I think 1 per, like half per each should be enough. And I'm trying to chop them like as small as possible, so it'll be better on the taco, Big Mac, whatever it is. And yeah, so this is the last version of them. I changed my mind. I don't want to cut an onion, so I'm just gonna put it back. Whoever it was, you still have it. Don't worry. Let me just put the butter into the fridge. Boom. So yeah, let's cut some pickles, some gherkins. Gherkins. That's a funny name. I don't know where it comes from. Yeah, it pops up. I think I'm just gonna cut 2, yeah, but I'll try to make them small as possible as well. So, and about the taco Big Mac, I should have a name for that. I'm gonna call it Fake Mac from now on. So the Fake Mac is doing good actually. When I decreased the heat a little, it's actually like it cooked more oriented, more equally on each side. But of course the bottom side, which we smashed it over the pan, is cooked a bit more. But that's life, like we can't do anything about it. So I'm just gonna take it out now. This is the first batch that we got, but as everyone says, the first kit and the first batch is the worst one. So I'm smashing the second one now. Now the heat is like medium low-ish. This is the salad that I have, and now let's do the dressings. So guys, unfortunately I don't have any plates that I can use right now, nor my cutting board. So we're just gonna go with this. So some green. Let's spread it out. Some tomatoes. Really good. Some pickles. I love pickles, so we're gonna do a bit more of pickles. Let's get some more. Yes. And now we're just gonna put some sauce. My sauce, it's not super runny, but if I just like spread it out like this, it should be good. Okie dokie. So yeah, you can ask me like some questions. Why are you starting this? What's the point? Are you going to be a YouTuber? No, I'm not going to be a YouTuber or anything. But I thought like if I'm experiencing this, there could be other people, of my friends of course, who is also experiencing this save it and never cook it problem. So maybe this video will be an encouragement to you guys over there to cook it or to catch up. You know, how's life? Mine's good. I have exams. Am I studying a lot? Nah. Am I scared? No, but it's all good. But it's getting ready. The first one looks good. Let's see. As you can see, it looks good. I'll put a glass of water, and I'm just cleaning up the cooking mess that I've created a bit. And for the next video, actually, it's gonna be about the Japanese cheesecake. that I've just like recently saved this video, and I think I saved it like a week ago, and I bought the Fade yogurt for this. It's not Greek yogurt, I think, but it is zero fat, which should be better. And in Manchester, unfortunately, there is no Biscoff. There's like a shortage of Biscoff. I went to 3 shops, they have no Biscoff. So I bought some Kit Kats. So I'm gonna stick like some Kit Kats into it. First, we mix up the yogurt with some coffee, espresso. I don't have espresso, I'm just gonna do some capsule Americanos. Sorry, Italian people, I guess. So after that, I'm just gonna put these Kit Kats into them, fridge them for like 3 to 4 hours. I think that's quite long, but I'm gonna do that. After that, I'm gonna spread some cocoa onto them, and it should be good to go. So this part needs a bit more cooking, so I'm just gonna give like, oh, this part is really crisp. I'm liking this, but I think I'm just gonna give like 2 more minutes to that one, and after that it'll be good to go. So let's see, how was this? Ooh, goody goody goody. I'm just gonna give one flip so the back side of it can also get some butter from it, and I'm just gonna turn this off. The heat would be enough, and in like a minute or so, I'm just gonna take the plate and put the dressings on top. Second one is ready as well. Let's put the dressings on top, and it's good to go now. Yes, let's just, this is too big, wait, you can't go in. Yes, so now it's taste test time. I think I'm just gonna start with the first one, because that is cooled down. So the way I eat is I'm kind of making like a wrap. So let me just show you guys the full version of it before eating. So yeah, this is the full version. So I'm gonna make this as a taco and take the first bite. Enjoy it, appetos. I didn't put any salt. That's what is missing. Let's sprinkle some salt. Mucho bene, mucho bien. Second bite. It's actually quite delish. Like, I really liked it. Oh, let's have a point system, like a score system. Of course, 0 to 10. Let's, as like variables, let's use the time that I saved it, the time of the video was published, and the difference, of course, to today, and the taste. So, I saved this video like a year ago, I think. No, far more than like a year ago. I think 2 years ago, because I tried this once. It didn't go well. So 2 years. Taste is, for taste, I think I can give 7. Time-wise, it's quite poor. 4. But we do care about the taste a lot. So overall, I think this is a 6.4 meal. Would I do it again? Probably, yes, but there are better meals, like, let's not lie to each other. There are better meals that I can have, but trouble-wise, it wasn't much of a trouble. I think in total it just took like 15 to 20 minutes. If you just have excess minced meat, beef, you can do it. So, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the second episode with the Japanese cheesecake.